Never before revealed information. Dear friend, have you been thinking of breaking into the world of blogging but are afraid to try something new? Perhaps you have been experimenting with Google AdSense, affiliate programs, and other sales programs without success. I know how hard it is to start something new, especially after I have tried and failed with so many different money-making ventures. I know from personal experience that it is easy to get enthusiastic about a new profit-generating venture only to be disappointed in the long run. Many methods and guides I have used are either incomplete or require more time and money than I can comfortably invest in an internet venture. These days I am extremely skeptical of ventures even when I am assured by experienced internet entrepreneurs that the method will work. I am always afraid that I will get caught up in some new fad that will fizzle out in a few months. The truth is that a new form of blogging, video blogging, is becoming the next big thing. Video blogs, also called vlogs, are becoming popular with people of all ages, and while many considered them a fad, they are far from it. Hundreds of thousands of people have started watching vlogs for pleasure. With the growth in technology, it has become easier for people of all ages and backgrounds to upload the latest video posts on their computers, iPhones, iPods, PDAs, and more. Why not profit for blogging? With so many people enjoying videos uploaded by everyday people, why not use this growing phenomenon to make money? Imagine easily creating your own video and then actually making money with it. Videos are taking over the internet and are quickly replacing many forms of online communication and entertainment. There are a wide variety of video sharing websites and online communities, all dedicated to helping users find videos on all subjects. Many famous people have even gone so far as to stop typing traditional online diary updates and have instead decided to upload videos for their friends and fans to view. The idea of actually profiting from videos might seem ridiculous or impractical, but think of the world we live in. Most of us carry digital cameras with us all day every day in the form of cell phones that can be used to record short videos. These videos can then be easily uploaded to a wide variety of video sharing websites or your own blog. How easy is that? Plus think of the millions of people that live to see the next video uploaded online. Voyeurs have taken over the internet, and there are thousands of people waiting to watch whatever you upload. Why not take advantage of the popularity of video sharing to make money? No more excuses. It's time to start a vlog. 2 great benefits you will learn in this book. 1. How to set up a vlog. My ebook will tell you how to quickly, easily, and most of all affordably set up your own vlog. Even if you have never owned a blog or a website, you will be able to understand these instructions. You will be carefully guided step by step through the entire process. 2. How to get free traffic. I will tell you many different ways to get free traffic to your new video blog. The methods that I will show you do not involve any search engine trickery. These methods will help you get unique visits from real internet users completely free of charge. Here is what you will learn inside this guide. Which individuals started out video blogging only to end up famous? The steps needed to have your own video blog up and running in no time flat without any technical experience. How to get your first video made and ready to post to your new video blog in virtually no time. The best way to create video content that will make your video blog popular with surfers and subscribers. Different ways to take video and edit the video to be placed on your new video blog. The best ways to get high-quality equipment for deeply discounted prices. How to use video blogging to establish or increase affiliate sales and sign-ups. How to use video blogs to create a higher click-through rate on ad campaigns. Ways to get others to pay you for creating your video posts. How to use video blogs to create entirely new streams of income. And a lot more. Venturing into business with others. This book will teach you everything you need to know about the profitable joint venture. So just click the link below to get instant access.